ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল এ লেটাৰ টু গড পাৰ্টিৰ প্ৰশ্নোত্তৰ আলোচনা কৰিম আজি আমি প্ৰথমতে টেক্সটুৱেল কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ হোৱাট ডিড লেঞ্চো হোপ ফৰ answer Lencho hoped for rain as the only thing that his field of ripe corn needed was a shower. Why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? Answer Lencho's crops were ready for harvest as raindrops would have helped in getting a better harvest resulting in more prosperity, so Lencho compared them with new coins. Question number 3, how did the rain change what happened to Lencho's field? The rain changed into hailstones as a strong wind began to blow and huge hailstones began to fall along with the rain. Lencho's field got completely destroyed. Question number 4. What were Lencho's feeling when the hail stopped? After hail stopped, Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. He could see a bleak future for him and his family. Question number 5. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Lencho had firm faith in God. He believed that God see everything. He believed that God sees everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. He wrote a letter to God demanding him 100 pesos. Question number 6. Who read the letter? The postmaster read the letter. 7. What did the postmaster do after reading a letter? The postmaster first laughed, but then he became serious. He was deeply moved by the writer's faith in God. He did not want to shake this faith, so he decided to collect the money and send it to Lencho. Question number 8. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? Answer, no. Lencho was not surprised to find a letter with money in it. Question number 9. What made Lencho angry? Lencho was angry to find only 70 pesos, 70 instead of 100 pesos in the envelope, which he asked from God. Next, thinking about the text for pratham prashna, who does Lencho have complete faith in? Which sentence in the story tell you this? এইখিনি অকল প্ৰথম পাৰ্টটোৰ বাকীখিনিতো নাহে প্ৰথম পাৰ্টটো আহিব who had Lencho who does Lencho have complete faith in? Lencho had complete faith in God. বাকীখিনি তোমালোকে পঢ়ি ল'বা this sentence in the story that so these are as follows. এইখিনি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ইমান নহয়. Question number 2. Why does the postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? Postmaster was moved by Lencho's complete faith in God, so he decided to send money to Lencho. Moreover, the postmaster did not want to shake Lencho's faith in God, so he signed the letter God. 3. Did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why not? Lencho does not try to find out who had sent the money to him. This is because he had firm faith in God and never suspected that it could be someone else other than God who would send him the money. 4. Who does Lencho think has taken the rest of the money? What is the irony in the situation? Remember that irony of a situation is an unexpected aspect of it. An ironic situation is strange or amusing because it is the opposite of what is expected. Lencho thinks that the post office employees have taken the money. It is the employees who send the money to Lencho, but he thinks they have stolen his money. He calls them crook. Thus, there is an element of irony in this situation. Additional questions. ইয়াত বহুতখিনি এডিশ্যনেল কুৱেশ্যনছ মই দিছোঁ. তোমালোকে কিন্তু পাঠ ধুনীয়াকৈ পঢ়িব লাগিব, ঘূৰাই ঘূৰাই পাঠ পঢ়িয়ে থাকিব লাগিব, কিয়নো প্ৰত্যেক লাইনত বা প্ৰত্যেক পেৰেগ্ৰাফত কুৱেশ্যন আহিব পাৰে. চ' তোমালোকে যদি পাঠৰ লগত you have to read the books, you have to read the lesson again and again. মই কিছুমান প্ৰশ্ন বাছি দিছোঁ, এইখিনি তোমালোকে চাব পাৰিবা. Question number 1. Who is the author of letter to God? G.L. Fuentes. Who was Lencho? Lencho was a farmer. What was Lencho's profession? Lencho's profession was farming. Where was Lencho's house situated? Lencho's house was situated on the crest of a low hill. What does crest mean? এইটো তোমালোকে ৱৰ্ড মিনিংবিলাক গোটেইখিনি পঢ়িব লাগিব, কিয়নো ৱৰ্ড মিনিং আহিব আৰু আহিয়ে থাকে. What does crest mean? Crest মানে কি হয়? Top of a hill. Were there any other houses in the entire valley? No. What was the only thing the earth Lencho's crops needed? downpour or at least a shower. What could be seen approaching from Lencho's house? What could be seen from Lencho's house? The field of the ripe corn could be seen from his house. What was Lencho doing throughout the morning? See the sky towards the northeast. When did it start raining? It started raining when the family was having dinner. What destroyed the crops? The hailstorm, which lasted for an hour, destroyed the crops. Question number 12. Who was the woman? The woman was probably Lencho's wife. What was the woman doing? The woman was preparing supper. What were the older boys doing? The older boys were working in the field. What were the smaller or the younger boys doing? The smaller boys were playing near the field. From which direction a huge mountains of cloud could be seen approaching northeast? What could be seen approaching in the northeast? Huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching in the northeast. How was the air? The air was fresh and sweet. Why did Lencho go out? Lencho went out to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. How did Lencho compare the big drops of rain and small drops of rain? Lencho compared the big drops of rain with 10-cent pieces and smaller drops of rain with 5-cent pieces. Why did the boy run out in the rain? The boys went out in the rain to collect the hailstones. Question number 22. How did Lencho's field look like after the rain stopped? Lencho's field was white as if covered with salt. Question number 23. What kind of a person the postmaster was? The postmaster was a fat, amiable and helpful fellow. 24. How did the postmaster help Lencho? The postmaster helped Lencho by collecting money from his employees, friends. He also gave a part of his salary. Question number 25. How much money did Lencho demand from God, or why did Lencho write a letter to God? In his letter, Lencho demanded 100 pesos from God. How much money did Lencho receive from God? He received only 70 pesos from God. How would you describe Lencho? Lencho was a simple, naive, hardworking and a firm believer of God. What do you mean by an ox of a man? An ox of a man means hardworking person. What are pesos? Pesos are currency of several Latin American countries. What was strange about Lencho's letter? The strange thing about Lencho's letter was that it was addressed to God. So এইখিনি 30 কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ্ছ মই দিছোঁ। তোমালোকে যদি বেলেগ কিছু প্ৰশ্ন আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমালোকে মোক কমেণ্ট বক্সত কুৱেশ্যনখিনি লিখি দিব পাৰিবা, মই তাৰ এনচাৰ দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম। থেংক ইউ। আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা, কিয়নো বাকীখিনি পাঠৰো প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ তোমালোকে ইয়াত পাবা, আৰু গ্ৰামাৰখিনিও তোমালোকে ইয়াত পাবা। থেংক ইউ।